maybe punch. Yo, hello. Good. Good. Good morning as good as you have to.
Good morning.
Today is my birthday. Akete to your mommy. Happy birthday
to you.
Okay, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Where do you say? Where do you say?
What's my say? Me. It's like Ghana for birthday. Well, today is a blessed day for Beyou and the whole Beyou comedy team, and also Akete Mpeninsem. And then birthday, as you were saying, thanks for your wishes. God bless you guys. I'm sure I've really, let's say, enjoyed this birthday because of you guys' wishes. I'm with your mommy and I'm a picture. And I'm sure God bless you so much. God bless you so much. Much love to all you comedy fans out there. Much love to all you comedy fans out there. I'm sure thank you for joining. But I know I share why. In the end, because I said I'm a you know. From here now, 1 p.m. Yeah, call. I'm a comb. 1 p.m. Yeah, call. I'm a comb traffic light. And also Kase. So our first location will be at Amekom traffic light on no. Children's Park, outside on Neba. Timishomo. Kumasi for more around if you want to see Beyou comedy in Akete live, we are there. Come there, take your pictures. Be with the Beyou, free Beyou comedy fans, Beyou comedy team. Fully free at it. I miss you, Momra, your channel 24/7. God bless you, fullest Beyou comedy. Thank you very much, Augustine. Watching on the PR, thank you for watching. I say what do you say? Menka share. Come say on. Menka. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Akete Brazil. Good afternoon and thank you very much. Happy birthday. Salisu. Big ups. Thank you for the wish. Akete, how old are you? Akete is 4 years, but I'm the Menka. Yep. I'll be waiting for you guys. Okay. You guys wait for us there. Kumasi, Amakum traffic light. First location, 1 p.m. near or around. The OBU comedy fans and Akete Mpeninsem fans come in number to support us. Yen Chakra, Yen Chesa, you know, if you want to be with us and take some pictures with us, you guys feel free. If you want to know who you're friends or be asking for pictures, no, don't feel shy. Just be bold and tell us you want to take pictures with us and you are good to go. Okay, I'm Lady Shatter One. I'm happy today, my dear brother. God bless you. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. Comfort. Thank you very much for the wish. Akete Mpeninsem didn't go to school. Akete didn't go to school because of Uncle Beyou is celebrating. It was also Dima, but what is here? And not forgetting, say I dropped the video I was talking about yesterday. The Akete Mpenisem's birthday gift for Uncle Beyou. It's on YouTube. On YouTube. I bet you can't stop laughing. Akete ya chema die. Ti ade be na Akete be cheme. Because me on the birthday me chene pound ni so. Yeah. But Akete no mankasa mbaya. Me gana fankasa.
Hello.
Oh, thank you guys. People are calling to wish me, and those of you who help, who wish me today, like that Monday 200 people called and 12 na minyaso they were calling me Charlie much as a Modo Beyou comedy Modo Beyou na mi sham papa and just I'm just speechless because 12 a.m. guys were calling me till 4 a.m. until say meet me that na mi sham na for that Akete to tafu tafu ade superstar nyesa are bono anyway me scarf no I think Come in and clean for him. Bring him off here. Okay. Superstar, yes, sir. God bless you too. God bless you. We are celebrating the birthday with the needy.
Champagne.
With the needy. We are good to go. We will leave very soon. We step outside around 12 a.m. So, latest by 1 will be at Kumasi Amakom traffic lights. Oh, I'm a cry. I can't come. Sorry. Okay. Next year by this time, we'll be a cry. Okay. Happy birthday. Age with grace. Blessing upon your life. Enjoy your day. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. You can join us. What about wishing me birthday? Happy birthday wishes. You can join me live. You're welcome to join me. Let's talk. Because yen check. Happy birthday, superstar. Thank you. Thank you for the wish, Mary. Captain El Chamano, superstar. Big ups, Christiana. Okay, one person I've joined right now. Let me check. Dada Bassinia, I see you yesterday. You spotted us as a do. Big ups to you. Yeah, hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Akome.
Bako na sonya.
Boko Yesu adum na muso.
Bajo de.
Amina adum na muso.
Ya ho ye pa.
Adarade ase. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, bro. Nami Shapa for the wish. God bless you so much. You are the first caller. My life. Amen. Amen.
No mama, meniji pa serious.
So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Nami Shapa.
God bless you so much.
Amen. Okay. Thank you for calling, okay?
Thank you too.
Bye. Yeah, menko, yaba, menko. Wa request be menko, ya wahaya. Happy birthday, please. I wish I'm in Ghana. Oh, okay. Happy birthday. Thank you. We are good to go. We will leave very soon. And thanks to Mama Mavis, UK, and my dear Mavis, Australia, and my one and only mom, Ma Juliana, Italy. Thank you very much for the support. Namisha Muna. Yeah, hello. Free so. Yeah, no. Pardon from me very well. By that, I'm Esther. I'm adding up, okay. Pick up. Happy birthday. God will bless you. Thank you very much. Please share. Meet us live, Kumasi. I'm a comb traffic light. You'll be rapping live. Mama will be comedy now. Come there. We are there. We are there for you guys. Okay. Happy birthday to you, big brother. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, Beyou. Thank you. Oh, Mubano Moko. But I'm Bamina, so I say, yeah, because you see, hey, hello. Morning.
Morning at the same. Uni about who are the
Benny who don't Benny day.
When they are the same.
I'm fine.
Obi aba throw Akete to me them throw Wendy.
Good.
And then me child shock twice.
Yes. Can big surprise. Let me show me big time. Me am crashing me cry. No one kulum. Adia. Menka. About the same. God bless you. God bless you so much. I'm sure. I can say hello.
Hello. Akete Mpeninsem.
Oh.
Ente, yeah. That's it.
So
you see me live.
If we are your donation, no. So
okay. That's it.
Let me show up.
That's it. Okay. Mami Jana from
Mate. Thank you very much. Bye. Hello. Mama. I hope you comedy team is ready. They are ready. Mother, come. We are ready. You comedy team is live. We are set. You are set to leave. You are set. You understand? You comedy team. You comedy set. You see, yeah. And the rest are coming. You comedy team is ready. Watch out for us, okay? I'm a comb. Traffic lights. Kasi, we are coming there. Maybe you be kicking on the very day. My anchor. If you want to snap picture, be comedy and Akete Mpeninsem. Okay, I still. Fine. Okay, that's my. So meet us. Akete, come. Yes, come and see Akete live and Khaled. Akete Mpeninsem is repping live. What's Akete? What's uncle? What's big ass. Much love you coming to the world. Oh, you person about Miss Ramo. Mammy Adam, why not? Time, I was about to country why. Sir, 11:23. Give it 12. Nah, I'm out of you guys. Thank you very much.
Hey, Akete Mpeninsem. Sylvia Bocordia. Yanso ya ho ya pa. Obi2 TV ni o. Sylvia Bocordia. Ni za Akete no ho ya. Ya hwene sa tambia yanso ya say I was say you nyina ya pusi ho.
Sanity. Yeah, Grace, Aduku, please I need your Momo number. Thank you very much. DM me in here before you but so DM me right now, Grace Aduku, please DM us right now. Bro, let's talk, please.
Akete wo he.
What does it?
Akete wo he.
Akete bra.
Akete Mpeninsem. Why are there? Ya bagana, me bagana me try am why?
Mate, go.
Me bagana the same me ba na ma try album ho.
Okay, senior. Thank you.
Me am come home.
Amen.
Yeah, yo.
Amen. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yo. Bye.
Hello? Where are you guys? Come. Yeah, because you see you. Yeah, because you see Grace Aduko, I have to reply you here. Yeah, because you see Akete me back. We'll be leaving very soon. Meet us live. Yeah, I'm going to do me. Thank you. Thank you for joining. I don't want to know, Mamma. Montonio. All set. Okay, thank you. Oh shit. Oh, the same. Why? Why no? Hey. Oh, today's the holy life for us. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much. You're invited. Thank you very much. Obi say, please don't chop any lady today. May your pastor. So mama may your pastor. Na me bo may your pastor. Do some jai. You reflect you. May reflect you. Hello, happy birthday. Thank you. Where are you? Kuma Kokobe right now. But I'll be setting off. Kuma say I'm wait for us. We are coming there live and call it. Hey, I'm coming home, pal. Okay. But me so cute. Oh, Charlie. Okay. Happy birthday to you, dear. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. Girls, I'm for today. No. RMG Patwa. RMG, please. You come to the world now. I mean, you know. It's up for some now. But it's up for the good. No, Bible, I mean, you. Maybe because there's YouTube. John 10 verse 11. And Romans 3 verse 23. I'm the good shepherd. The good shepherd gives himself for the sheep. Romans 3 verse 23. Now John 10 verse 11. Review. Review. Happy birthday. Where are you? Where did your girlfriend? At Japan, Chris. You see my face, yeah?
I did.
Yeah. That's my bro. My bro day. One day I'll see you, Charlie. When are you guys coming? UK. Need to see you guys. UK. I'm England, please. All I can say is just give us an invite. You give us an invite. We're willing to come over. Yeah, I'm probably going to be an invite to one of the countries. So we're waiting for any invite from you guys. Okay. Congratulations, thank you very much. Celebrate my yesterday. I wish to join you guys. My exams tomorrow. No problem. All the best in your exams. Big ups, okay? So as you are going, you know, Opi. Happy birthday, make you holler me some sexy lady. RMG part will see you. You can join us there, okay? Come over. We are waiting for you guys. Happy birthday, yeah. Thank you. Good morning. I'm Jane, watching you from Tema. Thank you, Jane. Let me show. Losam, drink and I'm drinking funny videos. So we are coming live. We are donating live. Thank you very much. We're leaving. You got your quarter. I mean, sham for your wishes. But it's my reply message and I'm my reply comment to make pictures and say me and the person I know what the course there by the Dawson. So I'm here to thank you guys for the wishes. I mean, shout. I can rap out the way you talk. Okay, I'm going to be okay. I did bet you were empty. Then I'll be the general poet. Minimum be a bobo, much else. About calling me and the techie. Matthias, yes, me worry pick. Charlie, forget it. Talent here too. Comedy plus music. Happy birthday. Thank you. Okay, let's go. I couldn't come, but all the best. Okay, I see you. Emadek TV. Hey, Mario, I'm waiting for you. Come over. Mario P. Mario, I see you. Mario, come. Yeah, Mario, come there. I'm waiting for you. Mario, come. I'm waiting for you, Mario. I love you, Akete from UK. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Volume. Cut. Yeah, money. Yeah. I didn't pay for money. That's we got to read move on. That's why making a big best. No my sense, so let me have one time. 24/7, daddy, me see me go pro. I watch the game, see me die. That's why I pray every day. Money, I want it's here, Jordan. Yes, you got my bed. That's why I put it yeah, Jordan. Yes, you go. That's why I pray every day. Jordan. Yes, you got. That's why I pray every day. Jordan. Yes, you go. That's why I pray every day. Monday to Friday on time. Saturday, Sunday, so that is our church. What if we go to some work for them? What's in the eye? Yes, you got. Jordan. Yes, you got. That's why I pray every day. Jordan. Yes, you go. We need to see me on yet. We are in Coco. No noise. This is a land game. Don't even want me. Yes, you will see a woman repeat. You will see a woman repeat. Now, be like a running the city. Everybody gets you. Everybody gets you. See a highway. Again, Jay, never cross the line. If you cross the line, honestly, God, if you not the line, don't say the back. Don't get it. Like the second, I'm not the warrior. Yeah, the young girl is school. Yes, I remember. Somebody take that. Don't know. Say, God, take me. Say, I ride this stamina. Say, we see no so bro. Me, I know the funding. Beyou, the first one landing. But we saw the Akete. We are no water. Football. Go play on the high frequency. I don't have you. Yes, you can. That's why I pray every day. I don't have you. Yes, you go. That's why I pray every day. I don't have you. Yes, you can. That's why I pray every day. So you're about to go. God bless you guys. Meet us there. I'm a comb. Kumasi, I'm a comb. Traffic lights. Meet us there. Kasi, meet us there. We're waiting for you guys. You can take pictures anytime, any video. You're welcome. And all medias are welcome too. Beyou comedy to the world.